Here's a video clip on our iPatient mobile cart. Here's the laptop. We have our little compartment here that is keyed and the 5-star wheelbase. So here, I'll go ahead and play the question.
Your hospital food today?
Okay. All of the questions are custom, and you could also select the number of smiley faces. And so here we would have a remote control, which would be right over here. So the child would have the remote control, and there's a plastic, germ-free plastic bag. It's a sleeve, and so here they would select the appropriate smiley face. So here with this remote we have two smiley faces. We have the advance to the next question, or you could repeat. Okay, and so this is sealed, and so the child then just presses the appropriate smiley face. And over here we have an iPad mini, and this is a Sony tablet. Okay, all right, thank you. This is the page where you can authenticate a patient. So here we'll go ahead and select Child 101. We'll call it test, and we'll leave the other fields open. We could select the language also. We'll go ahead and leave it for English. We'll select Dina the panda, and we'll go ahead and start. So we'll start the session. All of the questions are custom. So the child,
Did you like your hospital food today?
The child here would use a remote control to select the smiley face for this particular avatar and for this particular question. So for example, let's say good. We'll go on to the next question.
Do you like your hospital room?
So the child would be using the remote control. So the child could also use a tablet. The tablet inside the germ-proof plastic sleeve. And we'll go on to the next question.
Did your doctor tell you why you are here?
So we'll go ahead and just select yes, and there's 7 questions.
Did your doctor tell you how he will make you feel better?
Let's say the child says no, and
did you understand what the doctor said?
So the child may select no.
Have you met new friends here?
So maybe not.
Would you come again to this hospital?
Maybe the child says maybe. Okay, so here you'll have an immediate summary of the scores. Okay, and so this was ID 8109. So let's go back to home. So on the reports, we have monthly usage, daily usage, HCAP snapshot, the comments report, the questions chart, also the user statistics. We'll go ahead and look at the question chart. This here will show you the summary on each particular questionnaire. So here we just completed the child 101, okay, and so we have one respondent, okay. So we have a child that for question number 1 responded a good. Did you like your hospital food today? So if we click on the 1, we should see the ID 8109, and which is right here. Now we could go ahead and click it, and that's the actual summary. We could go back to this report. Once you have a number of reports here, you could use our query to develop your own report. So we could go back to home. And I'll show you one other report. Let's say on your monthly usage. Here it will show you a breakdown of your monthly usage. Okay. We'll go back to home. Okay. Okay, well, thank you very much.